Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful, gorgeous, kinky blowout textured lace front wig from HerGivenHair. And in this video, I'm also going to be talking about some of my tips on how to find your soulmate, your true love, and your best friend. Okay, so before we get into all that, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. This texture is so natural and realistic. It's crazy. Like, I cannot believe just every single time I get a wig from HerGivenHair, it always just looks so natural and realistic, and you barely have to do anything to it for it to look really good. And it fits so snug on your head with the adjustable straps, and all I had to do is just co-wash it, and then I let it air dry, and then the next day I just sprayed a little bit of spray leave-in conditioner just to kind of soften up the hair. And once it's air dried, it looked so natural, felt so soft. When I first put this wig on, I didn't want to do anything to it. It looked so amazing just on its own. Look how natural it looks. All the details will be in the description box for this wig, but all I'm going to do here is just go ahead and cut the lace. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smoothen my edges with edge control. And on one side, I left my own edges out. And then at the top, you're gonna see later in the video, I'm going to cut in some baby hairs and then smooth down the edges that way as well. And I like to do it this way because I feel like it gives me the most realistic looking hairline. And also because I'm not an expert at laying down wigs as of yet, and so I'm still practicing, I'm still learning. But luckily with HerGivenHair, because the quality is so high, you really can just be a beginner and just make this wig look so natural by doing really not much. So that's why I absolutely love this wig so much. But seriously, take a look at how gorgeous this wig is. I'm sorry, I think this is one of my favorite wigs, so I just can't get over how just amazing this wig is. It has like this beautiful like kinky crimp texture in it, but then if you like comb it out, you can get more volume with less texture. Like, you can play around with this wig so much, and that's kind of why I also love it so much, because it's so versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flatten down the top part with a hot comb, and then you're gonna see later I'm gonna put some mousse on there as well to flatten it down even more. And the reason why I'm doing this is that I'm gonna put in some wand curls, and so I wanted the style to look a bit more sleek so that everything can look more uniform. But I'm definitely gonna rock this wig in its natural blowout texture, and I'm gonna have it volumized at the top, and I'm just gonna wear it so much different ways. And if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I'm gonna try out different hairstyles as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. So this is what the wig is looking like so far. The hairline looks really natural. The wig does come with bleached knots and a transparent Swiss lace, so that's why it looks so natural. I didn't even have to put any concealer or any foundation on the hairline, but you definitely can do that if you'd like to make it look even more natural. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking gorgeous. I didn't even have to even cut any layers or anything like that. It just looks so good on its own. All right, now my hair is prepared for wand curls. All I'm gonna do is add a little bit of serum for some shine and some heat protectant. And I'm gonna go ahead and talk about how to find your soulmate. So I thought it'd be easier to kind of go over this as a voiceover while I'm doing my hair with the wand curls. So the first thing I wanted to say is to be authentic. And being authentic means just literally being your true authentic self, meaning no people pleasing, standing up for your own values and morals, not being afraid of other people not liking you. Because when you're true to yourself and you do what makes you happy, you actually attract the right type of people for you in your life, and then you have a higher chance of actually finding the right partner for you. My next tip is to do right. And my husband always says this, but it's karma. Everything that you put out there, you end up getting back. So if you want a good partner, make sure you're doing right, you're doing all the great things so that you can get all the blessings back into your life. Next tip is to take accountability. And I know this is not easy, especially for a lot of women, including me in the past, but we do have to take responsibility for our actions. We have to admit when we're at fault, when we're wrong, so that we can make right and learn and grow from our past mistakes, so that you can again attract much better into your life. Pray and seek God. And I always say this, and this is actually not in order, but that really should be number one. Praying to the Creator who knows much more than you and who knows much best for you. Praying to our Creator is one of the best things that you can do in getting close to Him and doing right, because He is going to answer all of your prayers and bless you with all of your heart's desires. And He knows much more than you who your soulmate would be and who would be best for you. My next tip would be to be open-minded, because when God does answer your prayers, it might not look exactly like you wanted or expected, but sometimes God gives you someone that you need versus what you want. And like I said earlier, God knows much more than you what's best for you in your life. And so definitely keep an open mind and look for character traits. That should be the most important thing when you're looking for your soulmate. Are they loyal? Are they faithful? Are they kind? Are they generous? Because that is how your partner will treat you in your relationship. And you want your partner to treat you with the utmost respect. So always look for character above everything else, because that is what's going to carry your relationship and make it healthy and happy and beautiful. Always look for core values and morals that are aligned with yours, because that is what is going to make your soulmate, right? You're going to have a couple of differences, but the main core values and morals should be exactly the same. And make sure they are your best friend. Make sure you like to actually spend a lot of time with them, because really your soulmate is your best friend and you're going to want to like them instead of just loving them. Constantly grow and improve for the better. Whether that be, healing your past traumas, if you have toxic traits, working on them so that you can always constantly improve yourself, add more skills to yourself so that you can, attract better into your life. And then most importantly, be patient and trust in God's timing. While you're waiting, God is preparing you so that you can attract the best partner into your life. And again, trust in God. Everything He does is in perfect timing always. When you truly have faith in God, while you're waiting, you will be happy working on yourself. You'll have no worries and no doubts because you have faith in the Most High God. And so that's all I'm going to leave you with today. I hope those tips were helpful. If you guys have any tips, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'd love to discuss that. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to go ahead and take advantage of the sale, all the details are in the description box below. Have a great day. Take care.